Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to have a look at Watermelon Glow Ultrafine Mist made by Glow Recipe. This product comes in one size, which is this 75ml bottle, and it's suitable for all skin types. Looking at the description, it's meant to feel like delicate mist that envelopes the skin like a morning fog. The formula is a blend of watermelon, hyaluronic acid and hibiscus. You can either use this as hydrating glow mist before moisturizer or face cream, or as a makeup prep and perfecting mist after you have applied your makeup just to refresh the skin. When I look at this, it looks like Too Faced spray, and of course it needs a good shake before application for optimal results. It should be applied 8 to 10 inches away from the skin and then mist 2 or 3 times, but to be honest, I mist at least 4 or 5 times and leave to dry. It sprays so nicely, I can barely feel it on the skin. I can already see that fine and healthy glow, and this, by the way, is fully absorbed. This is a comparison with my other hand without the product on. I also must add the scent is so nice and refreshing. I can say with confidence this product delivers the promise. It really feels nice on skin and gives that dewy, healthy glow to it, and it smells fantastic. Would I consider buying this product again? At this point in time, I would say no, as I can think of at least 2 other products that offer same effect for probably half of the price, and I will speak about them in one of my next videos. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please feel free to share your experience with this product in the comment section down below. I'd like to thank you all for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and of course, don't forget to subscribe.